What's good, new crew? I'm back at it again with another hair video, and as you can see by the title, today I partnered up with Ishow hair. This is the hair that's in my head right now too. Today I partnered up with Ishow hair, and I'm just gonna be giving my first impressions and an honest review on this hair. They sent me 18 inches full lace curly hair, pre-plucked, and this is what it looks like. I just put it on today. I put the wig on today. I think this is the first time I put on a wig by myself, and it looks pretty good. I always OD with the edges. I always like do too much with the edges, but like, would you rather have too much or not enough? Period. So let's just really get into it. As you guys can see, the hair looks beautiful, shiny, curls out the wazoo. We love this. I just feel like this is so cute. It looks so natural. It looks so real. The shipping for this hair was really fast. I think it only took 1 or 2 days. Really fast. So that's good, because we love fast shipping. I had to bleach the knots for this hair, but the knots bleached pretty quickly and it was really easy. I usually have a hard time doing that, but this was easy and it was quick. So another thing that we love, the hair did not have any type of smell, no nasty smell, no factory smell, no smell like it's been processed or anything, like none of that. Really doesn't shed, no shedding, little to no shedding at all. As soon as you apply water to this, the curls appear quickly, okay? There's some hair that you get them as soon as you get it, you know, the hair looks good, it looks curly, then as soon as you wet it, it's not curling up or it's not doing what it's supposed to do. And y'all, another thing about this hair is when I wet it and comb through it, I didn't even put anything in it. It combs through so easily for curly hair. Like, I've just had some curly hair in my head recently, like some really long curly hair, and that shit was getting tangled quick. This right here is like giving me life, okay, ma? Like, look. All that. I don't want to mess up my part. But all of that. If I had to give this hair 1 out of 4 stars, I would give it 4 stars. Everything, the cap fit my head great. The curls, great. Shipping, fast. I don't really have no complaints about this hair, you know. Look, and the edges became so soft. Like, once I started doing them, they got real soft and easy for me to do. Everything about this hair will be in the description down below. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. Make sure to follow them at their Instagram. Thank you again, Ishow hair, for blessing me with this hair and, you know, just putting your girl on fleek. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like down below, a comment down below. Everything about this hair will be in the description. Bye, new crew. Love you.